Good morning dear students, welcome to online video class. After division, the next chapter is mental arithmetic. So why it is called as mental arithmetic? Because in such calculations we use only mental calculations. Without using paper and pen we calculate mentally. So the topic name is given as mental arithmetic. So in this mental arithmetic topic we are going to understand these two terms, that is estimation and approximation. So what do you mean by this approximation? Approximation means randomly, without calculating or without counting, telling something. Say suppose I have put some dots here. So without counting, so I have to tell looking at these. So I may say here 15 dots are there randomly. So one number I will tell. So actually when I count, so there will be more than 15 or less than 15. So we just what we do, we estimate. So approximation is nothing but telling in general some number. So the number may be more than or less than. So the approximation, the process of approximation is termed as estimation. Suppose in classroom we have a definite number of children, but when we stand for gathering there, many classes will come and we cannot tell the exact number of the students. That time one number we will tell. So that number may be more than or less than the actual number of students. So such imaginary numbers are the process is called as approximating and estimation. So approximation is nothing but estimation. The process is estimation. So where this estimation or approximation is used? So in newspapers you have seen the headings of these many people died, so these many people were drawn out in flood, so any disasters, natural disasters, the loss of property, loss of life may be told with some numbers, but the number may not be exactly how much the loss is. So that approximation is used when the crowd is more, when we cannot count one by one or accurately. So let us learn how to approximate or how to estimate the given number or rounding off. You have learnt in 3rd standard rounding off the numbers. So this is a number line. So this is 0 and this is say 10. So the center number will be 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So equal divisions, equal 10 divisions. So starting number is 0 and end number is 10 and middle number will be 5. Suppose if you are telling in a crowd there are 4 people. So 4 people means it is near to 0, not near to 10. So this number will be rounded off to 0. This is unit place rounding off numbers. If the number is 7, so the 7 will round off to what? 10 because it is close to 10. So 7 estimation of 7 is 10, estimation of 4 is 0. So if you take 2-digit numbers, so 2-digit numbers means 10 to 20 if you say. So the middle number will be 15. So any number which falls before 15 will be rounded off to 10 and any number which falls exactly on 15 or more than 15 will be rounded off to 20. Suppose 16, 17, 18, 19, even 15 are also rounded off to 20. Any number which is less than like 14, 13, 12, 11, whichever numbers come, they will be rounded off to 10. So if you take 3-digit numbers, say hundreds. So the same number line, equal 10 divisions. So if it is 100 and this is 200. So the given number lies between 100 and 200. Say I have taken 560. Sorry, 160. So 160 where it lies. So 100, 112. Middle number we should find out children first. 100 to 200. The middle number will be 150. Okay. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. So 160 where it lies? Here. So 150 after 160. So more than half, so it will be rounded off to 200. So the estimation of 160 to the hundreds place will be 200. Now we come to the 4-digit numbers. So this year, this single digit, double digit and 3-digit you have learned in earlier classes. Now this year you are going to learn how to estimate 4-digit numbers. So this may not be for same for all numbers whichever you get for estimation. The number is say 1450. Now we should divide this, where this number lies between which 2000s we should see. Now 1000 starting number is 1. So 1000, next number will be 2000. So this given number lies between 1000 and 2000. So 1450. Now this we should see now. 4. So 1000, 1100, 1200, 1300, 1400. Center will be 1500. Then 600, 700, 800, 900, 2000. So 1400 lies somewhere here. So 1450 again it moves front. So 1400 comes here. So it is less than middle number. So this number will be rounded off to what? 1000. If the number is say 1870. So 1800 where it comes? 1500, 600, 700, 800. So somewhere here. So this number will be rounded off to 2000. So like this, what you should do, children, whenever the number is asked for estimation, that number lies between which two numbers you should find out, like 1000 and 2000. Okay, children. Now coming to 5-digit number. So 5-digit means 10,000. So here it comes 20,000. So 10,000. Then here center will be 1000. Sorry. So 15,000. 10,000, 15,000, 20,000. So here what comes? 11,000, 12,000, 13,000, 14,000, 15,000, 16,000, 17,000, 18,000, 19,000, 20,000. So now the center point you should find out always. So say 12,500 is our given number. So we have to round it off to thousands place. So 1000 place next number is 2. So where it comes? 10,000, 11,000, 12,000. So 12,000 comes here and the given number lies between this 12,000 and 13,000 here. So which is less than half. So less than half means this will round it off to 10,000. Noted, children? So like this, for 10,000 place, after this 10,000 place number you should watch carefully where this comes. So 10,000, 11,000, 12,000. So 12,000 is which is less than half, so it will be rounded off to 10,000. So this is how we round off or estimate 4-digit and 5-digit numbers. So when you solve exercise, you will come to know. So we'll go to exercise 3.1. 3.1. So in that first main, they have asked you round off each of the following numbers to nearest thousands place. 1000 place means 4-digit number will be given. So 7,547. Now they have asked us to round off this number to thousands place. So our number line. So center equal divisions 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now what we should do? 7,547. So the number lies between 7,000 starting number. The next 1,000 is 8,000. So the given number lies between 7,000 and 8,000. Now next number is 5. So we should find the middle of this number. 7,100, 7,200, 7,300, 7,400, 7,500 is our middle number. Now here 7,600, 7,800, 7,900. Sorry, one extra here. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So 7,500 is given. So 7,500 is here and 47 somewhere after this. So it is more than half means this number will be rounded off to next 1000, that is 8000. Got it, children? Okay. Now one more I'll take. In that only. So fourth one I take because it is a 5-digit number and they have asked us to round off to 1000 place. So estimation is asked for thousands place. So this number will not change. Remember. Okay. Now our number line. Now here it is 32,000 and 32,000. This number will be next 33,000. So we should change the thousands place number now. Here 2000. So here it is 3000. So this 2658 lies between 3200 and 3300. Now the middle number will be say 32,500. 32,500. Next will be 33,000. Now 658 is there. So 32,600 means somewhere here it comes. Because 32,100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Sorry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 33,000. So 32,658, 32,500. Here it is 6,000. Sorry, 32,600 is here. So it is more than half, means this number will be rounded off to next number, that is 32,658 will be rounded off to 33,000. We are rounding it off to thousands place, remember children. So this 3 will not become 0. Okay, thousands place. So we move on to next main. So 2 I have solved, one 4-digit number and one 5-digit number. Another 2 are there, second and third. You solve. Only second main I will solve now. Round off each of the following numbers to nearest 10,000s place. So 10,000s place means 5-digit number. So 26,674. So we have to round off to this place, 10,000s place. So the number line like this. So starting number will be 20,000. Then 30,000. Okay. Now 25,000 here. Middle number will be 25,000 because 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Got it, children? Now 26,000. So 6. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 comes here. Okay. So here means more than half. So what we should do? Round off to the next number. 6,074 will be rounded off to 30,000. So this is for 10,000s place. So only 10,000 place number remains. Rest all become 0. So to understand better, for each and every sum you draw this number line with pencil. Mark the starting or the numbers, 2 numbers between which the given number lies. Then middle number. Then find out exactly where it comes. So if you use number line, you can understand it clearly. So one more shall I take in the second one? Okay. So fourth one I take 53,668. So again 10,000s place. So here it is 53,000. Next will be 54,000. So middle number 53,500. 53,500. So our number is 53,600 means again here. So this will round off to next number. 53,668 will round off to sorry, 1 minute. So this middle number changes, children. So 10,000 means only 10,000 numbers should be remained and the rest all should be 0. So this lies between 53,000 to 54,000. Sorry, 50,000 to 60,000. 50,000 and 60,000. Okay, so because all other numbers should become 0 when we are rounding off to 10,000 place, the rest all numbers should be 0. So 5 and 6, 50,000 to 60,000. Now 55,000 will be our middle number. Okay, now it is 53. Here it is 55. This is 51, 52, 53, 54. So 51, 2, 3. Our given number lies here, 53,000. So which is less than half. So it will be rounded off to the before number, that is 50,000. So one point you should remember, in 4-digit numbers, rounding off to 4-digit or a thousands place, so only the 1000 place number should remain, rest all become 0. In 5-digit number, if you are rounding off to 10,000 place, only 10,000 place number will remain, rest all become 0. Got it? So 10,000 place number, 4 zeros here, 1000 place number, rest all 0. When you estimate, the number should be like this. Estimated number should be in this manner, children. Hope you have understood, and solve only these two mains and only here two sums, and submit me in the group so that I will come to know how much you have understood, so that I can explain still more if you have doubts. Okay, children? Thank you.